Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, it's Jenna G, that's me DJ from TNT. Welcome back to my channel. It is just about lunchtime. I was in one of those moods where I wasn't really feeling to experiment or have too much fun in the kitchen or spend too much time in the kitchen. So I decided to go for classic Caribbean style go-to meal. It's corned beef with cabbage. Now I did a video previously on corned beef alone. That's the way I prefer to have it, to be honest with you. Not much extra ingredients in it, but I know corned beef with cabbage is an absolute favorite. People love it, so I decided to do my version of it. So check out this video to see how it is easy and like squeezy to put together this classic Caribbean style dish. So for our quick and easy corned beef with cabbage recipe, I'm just going to be using 1 tin of corned beef, whichever brand you prefer. I just chop it up into smaller pieces instead of the big can shape. Makes it easier when you're cooking. I have some shredded cabbage here as well. I try to cut it slightly thin-ish because you know me and my chunks and all these different dishes don't like the big chunks of stuff. I have onions, garlic, pimento, and I have a lot of hot pepper because when I'm eating my corned beef, I love to make it spicy, but you can go easy on the pepper. You can use less or you can eliminate it on the whole. And I'm going to be using some fresh herbs for some extra color and extra flavor. So I have some parsley, I have some thyme, and I have some shadow benny that I just chopped up here. So I have my oil heating in my pot. I'm using a fairly large pot because the cabbage, I couldn't find my smaller pot. But anyways, the oil that I'm using is avocado oil, but you can use any oil that you want to use. So I'm going to be adding in my onions, pimentos, hot pepper, and garlic. I'm going to keep the heat on low, medium, more on the low side because you don't want the garlic to start burning. Add a little bit of water because the pot was too hot, so it started sticking. And next I'm going to add my shredded cabbage. For this part now, I'm going to cover the pot because I want the cabbage to cook down just a little bit. So I'm just going to cover it and just let it cook until it's halfway cooked through. So it's been cooking for like 2 minutes, so it's nicely wilted, not too soft, and it's not as crunchy as before. So now I'm just going to be adding in the corned beef. And I just mix everything up. Oh, it smells so good. I'm just going to raise the heat at this point. Doesn't this look amazing? And I'm going to add in the fresh herbs because we just want to leave the corned beef just for about 2 minutes. Now this is a beautiful looking dish. You can see the nice color from the green, from the herbs. You have the cabbage and the corned beef mixed in it. Just perfect. So I'm just going to let it cook. And that is it. You can add ketchup if you want for some extra color, extra flavor. You can cook the cabbage more if you want. If you don't want it too crunchy, you can cook it for less time. If you prefer a crunchier bite of the cabbage, it's all up to you. But this is my quick and easy version of a cabbage, corned beef with cabbage. That is it for our quick and easy corned beef with cabbage, guys. A classic Caribbean style dish. You can use as much cabbage as you like. You can use less cabbage, but this is just one of those meals you go to, you know, when you're hurrying to cook, you need something fast to eat. It's absolutely amazing. So I hope that you did like the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did like it. Be sure to share with all your friends and your family. Stay tuned to lots more videos to come. And remember, corned beef, you can never go wrong with corned beef. It's a must-have. You can eat this with rice, you can eat it with beef, you can eat it with bread, anything you like. It's just about enjoying a delicious, quick and easy meal. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.